welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this Instagram model sort of look. So I guess we've all seen those Instagram models just there on everyone's explore page. I mean, not everyone, but a lot of people's explore pages, and most of them look the same, to be honest. And this look is very natural, very glowy, very subtle, but it looks very pretty. I have been in love with this look for a long time, and finally I was able to recreate it. When I posted a picture on Instagram, then a lot of you told me to recreate this look and you guys want to know how it's done. So here I am, and I'm going to show you how exactly you can recreate this look. So if you want to know that, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, so first off we are starting off with some skincare, and for that I will be using this Face Shop White Seeds Serum. This is quite non-sticky and it works well to moisturize and give you that glow without making your skin feel very heavy. And then I'm going to move on to a primer, for which I'm using this Wet n Wild Dewy Illuminating Primer, and this is going to give us even more of that glow. So I'm going to put it on the high points of my face and then I'm going to blend it out. I'm also putting it on my neck just so that it glows as well. And now I'm just blending everything out. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Golden Beige, and using this beauty sponge by the Drugstore company, I'm going to blend it out after dotting the foundation all over my face. Now this is the first time I use the blender on my face. Not exactly the first time, but the first time on camera, and I did not use it with foundation beforehand. I only used it with concealer, and it blends the foundation so well. It is a little stiffer than the other beauty blenders in the market, but the material of it does not absorb much product, plus it blends it quite well and quite fast, so I was really impressed with that. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the L.A Girl Pro concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm just going to put it under my eyes as well as my mouth area, wherever I have darkness basically, just to kind of color correct it and even the skin tone out. And then I'm going to use that same sponge to just blend everything out, and again it did a fantastic job. I will be linking the Drugstore company's Instagram handle in the bottom bar below, so make sure to check that out. And now for the other concealer, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Light Medium Beige, and I'm using this as a highlighting concealer all over my eyes and other high areas of my face, just to make sure that light hits them and they look very brightened up. After that's done, we're going to move on to brows, and for that I'm going to be using the Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara by Maybelline, and I'm just going to brush my eyebrows upwards to give them a feathered out effect. Now don't be bothered by the way the mascara is kind of clumping up, because we are going to be smoothing it out with a spoolie, and look what happened. But it's okay, don't fear, I do have a technique for this. But it's better if you do your brows before foundation if you want to do it like this, because I think most people on Instagram, they have kind of like feathered out brows. I don't know why I have noticed this, and that's why I decided to do this, although I don't think my brows are fit for this feathery trend. Anyway, I'm just cleaning it up with some concealer now, and after that I'm just buffing everything out. And now for eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette, and taking this very muted orangey shade from it, I'm just gonna take it on a fluffy brush and just put it all across my eyelids in literally no shape or anything. I'm just putting it all over my eyelids and blending it simultaneously, just as a wash of color over my eyes. And now taking an eyelash curler, I'm just gonna curl my lashes. And you should be doing this step if you're not wearing any false lashes, because it just makes your lashes go from 0 to 100. And now I'm gonna use some mascara. I'm using the Hyper Curl Mascara, and I did not use the Temptation Mascara because it is waterproof, and honestly I hate waterproof mascara. It is such a pain to remove, oh my god. Now I'm going to move on to falsies, for which I'm using the pack 59, and I'm also using the pack lash glue, which is amazing. Honestly, that's the best lash glue I've ever used. And now I'm just struggling with my eyelashes. Okay, this looks scary, but I promise it's not. Now taking the Maybelline Colossal Kajal, I'm going to just tightline my upper lash line. I'm not doing anything to the lower lash line, just my upper lash line, so that the lash band kind of looks a little more natural. And now taking this Innisfree eyebrow pencil, you can use any brown eyeliner that you want. I'm just gonna wing my eyes out a little bit, and I'm also adding it to the inner corners so that it is not very harsh and it looks like that it's blending in with the false lashes. Moving back onto the face, I'm gonna use this Stainiac Lip and Cheek Stain from the Balm Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna put it all over my cheeks. This is honestly the best ever liquid tint that I've tried out. It has so much work time that you don't have to worry about it getting completely dry within a matter of seconds. And also you might think that it looks very pigmented, but it does not. It is very wearable. For a liquid or cream highlighter, I'm gonna use this one by Wet n Wild. This is a liquid illuminator by Wet n Wild, and I'm just gonna take it on my fingers and just put it all over the high points of my face. Using a liquid illuminator will make sure that your skin looks very natural, and you want all of that glow. So you want to go in with a liquid illuminator first to make it a base. Now taking the Fit Me loose powder in light and taking this Cara F004 brush, I'm gonna put powder just under my eyes so that our dewiness is not lost, but I'm also going to set the areas that crease, which are under my eyes and my mouth area for me. So I'm just gonna set those. Now taking this Fit Me compact powder in the shade 330 Toffee and taking this Cara F001 brush, I'm going to use this as a very light bronzer. I did not want my skin to look very contoured. Instead, I wanted a very light bronze, so this is what I'm going with, just so that it looks very natural and very subtle. Now I'm taking the beauty sponge once more to ensure that nothing looks out of place, and then taking the MAC Fix Plus, I'm gonna take a quick little shower in it to make sure that we haven't powdered too much of our face and everything still looks very glowy. Taking the Cara F005 brush, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, and I'm gonna put it all over the places that we put the liquid illuminator on, so that acted as a base, and now our highlighter is going to be way more intense, and that's what you want. You just want to glow and glow, because this look is all about glowing and looking like you have the best skin ever. I'm also adding it to the inner corners of my eyes as well as my nose, and I'm gonna take another shower in it just so that the powderiness of the highlighter is balanced out and everything is also set in place. And I'm also adding it to my neck and my shoulders. For lipstick, I'm gonna go in with the Nykaa Gloss It Up in Ridin Solo, and this is very pretty pink shade. It's such a pretty gloss and it is very pigmented, so you won't have any problem even if you have pigmented lips. Now I forgot my lower lash line mascara, so I'm just adding that, and with that we complete the look. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.